So for foldable iPhone users, they simply cannot tolerate the magnetic power banks on the market right now. Take a look, this power bank is foldable too. So if the phone is foldable, the power bank should be foldable as well. That is why this is the very first foldable magnetic power bank we've made for the iPhone foldable. Take a look at the fold here. And now let's check the back. We've designed a hinge in the middle so it can fold back and forth smoothly. And here is the Loowoko logo. Now let's look at the side. How thin is it? We already put the answer in the chat earlier. How thick is it? 6 millimeters. So when we place it on the phone, it folds perfectly into place. It fits perfectly because with a regular magnetic power bank, once you put it on this phone, it will always stick out past the edge. Let's look at the normal power bank on the phone. See what it looks like. The back part sticks out and that looks really ugly, right? So foldable iPhone users simply cannot accept this kind of magnetic power bank on the market. That is why we need a dedicated power bank, one that does not go beyond the frame and does not stick out from the corners. This is exactly the magnetic power bank that foldable iPhone users need.